This is the rookery where I and my bird friends dwell.
So are you like the great Birdman?
That's what they call me nowadays. But when I first met you, Finn, and you, Jake, you knew me as Xergiok, the Goblin King!
What?
When we first met, I was crazy for smacking goblin hams. I was cruel, selfish, brutal. But everything changed after I was defeated by the two of you!
So you got some slick new shades and now everything's different?
Oh no, my change has been deep. And these whatsits are only curtains for empty windows.
Whoa, what happened there?
I miffed off a wizard and he took my eyes. I wonder what he wanted them for. Some kind of lotion, or potion, or time-traveling spell? I'll never know. Never, ever, never. But losing my eyesight was only the beginning of my wonderful change. I started meditating and doing yoga. Now I can see with my heart and smell with my soul.
You smell with your beard?
I smell with my nose.
Lame.
What are you doing?
Oh, Taffy! You heard my call. Climb aboard, boys. Taffy will take us to the lower level and you can have a bite to eat.